How to log in into milestonecard.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can log in the milestonecard.com. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So you may just open up a browser in your laptop or your mobile device. After that, you will be searching for Milestone Card and there will be some links. So you may just click on the very first link. After doing so, you will be able to see the sign in option very easily. So you just need to tap on the sign in. If you already have an account, you may just log in. For that, you just need to use your username and password. But if you don't have an account, just sign in and go on with the process of creating an account. After you have created an account, whenever you need to log in, you may just simply tap on login and enter your username and password, and you should be able to easily log in into your milestonecard.com. So therefore, just follow those steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.